Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In earlier video, I have discussed with the topic registration to GST and completed with its introduction and its first section, that is section 22. In this video, I will discuss over next section, that is section 23, which stands for persons not liable for registration. Any person engaged exclusively in the business of supplying of goods or services or both that are not liable to tax or wholly exempt of tax under CGST or IGST are not liable for registration. Next is section 23 subsection 1 clause B, which says an agriculturist to the extent of supply of produce out of cultivation of land are not liable to get registration, and this benefit of not being liable to registration is only restricted to the agriculturists who are individuals or HUFs. Now next is section 23 subsection 2, which says the government has specified certain categories of persons which are exempt or not liable for registration, and they are: first, persons making only reverse charge supplies, person making interstate supplies of taxable services up to 20 lakh. However, the aggregate value of such supplies to be computed on all India basis should not exceed 10 lakh in case of special category states, that is Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur and Nagaland. Third, it consists of two areas: the persons making interstate taxable supplies of notified handicrafts up to 20 lakh. Here consists one, that is persons making interstate taxable supplies of notified handicrafts, and next is person making interstate taxable supplies of notified products when made by craftsmen, predominantly by hand, even though some machinery may also be used in the process. And in this there are two conditions: the aggregate value of such supplies to be computed on all India basis doesn't exceed an amount of 20 lakh but 10 lakh in case of special category of states like Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur and Nagaland in a financial year, and such persons have obtained PAN and have generated an e-way bill, which I will discuss in the later videos. Now next is the casual taxable persons making interstate taxable supplies of notified handicraft goods up to 20 lakhs are also not liable to get registration, and following categories of CTBs have been exempted from obtaining registration. Part A is CTBs making interstate taxable supplies of notified handicraft goods or CTBs making interstate taxable supplies of notified products when made by craftsmen, predominantly by hand, even though some machinery may also be used in the process. And in this the conditions are the same as discussed in the earlier part, that is persons making interstate taxable supplies of notified handicraft goods up to 20 lakhs. Now I want to summarize the section. So we will get the four areas which are not liable for registration. First, the persons engaged exclusively in the business of supplying of goods or services or both not liable to tax are not liable for registration. Second, the persons engaged exclusively in the business of supplying goods and services or both wholly exempt from tax. Third, agriculturists to the extent of supply of produce out of cultivation of land. And fourth, the specific category of persons notified by government on GST Council recommendation, in which I have discussed four topics. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, Kindly like the same and subscribe the channel. Thank you.